Take out your art and craft paper. Okay, this one Okay, take out. Today we going to learn what letter? Today we going to learn letter P. Yay! Going to learn letter P. Do you learn letter P? Yes? No, this one is P for pig. Okay, today you're going to do the letter P. Letter P. P, So you have this paper or not? Okay, you can see over here. This one is what letter? This one is P. Okay, P for pig. Okay, teacher will tell you what is pig. Some more is pig. Some more, what is pig? This is animal or what? Before that, I want all of you take out this paper. Okay, first I want all of you look first. Okay, we see. This is P. Okay, P got nose, got tail, some more got eyes and ears. So you can see on our teacher also got draw a pig on the whiteboard. Okay, this one we call pig. Okay, so now I want you all take color first. Okay, you first. I want all of you color the picture. Okay, what color you should color for the P letter? What color? What color? Pink. Very good, Abby. So you have to take out the pink color. Okay. Where is your color? Okay, take out your color pencil and take the pink color. Okay, can see or not? This one is we call pink color. Xuan, don't color wrong. This one pink. Okay, Abby also this one. This one is pink. Okay, so I want you color all the eyes no need to color. Okay, you have to color the letter P. Okay, wait first. You color the letter P. You color the ears. Then the ears, these two only you color. Class, you look here first. Okay, Abby, Xuan, look here first. First, I want you color the letter P. After that, I want you color these two. These two okay, this one puyao, the small one no need to color. Wayang me color teka letter P. Then I want you color the tail. Okay, after that your eyes no need to color anything. Okay, okay, we start to color now. Okay, we start to color. Okay. We color first, okay? You see the letter, okay? You must see the picture first. You cannot color all the picture pink color, okay? Eyes, no need to color. Only we color the letter P, okay? You teacher first color, you see, Okay, we use pink color class. We use the pink color to color the letter P. P for pig. And please color properly class. You must color the letter P properly, okay? Pink color Okay, you see this one first. They ask you to color the letter P and the ears. Ears, you no need to color all. Okay, the ears you color these two only. Okay, 这个两个 only you color. 这个两个不要 color. This big one you color. The small one don't color. The nose also no need to color. Okay, nose 不要 color 啊。Okay, nose 不要 color. Tail must be colored. Okay. We color first, class. Okay, color properly in class. After you color ready, you show to teacher. Okay. Shan can color? Can Okay, all color first. Okay, you see how teacher color P, the letter P. Okay, after you color the letter P, you color the tail. Can see or not? Here got right, T-A-I-L, tail. Okay, color the tail. Okay, the tail is the long one, long one, the thicker. Okay. Okay, you must color like this, Abby, can Abby, Shan. You color the letter P ready, you color the tail. After that, eyes, no need to color. Eyes, 不要 color, eyes 不要, you see, E-Y-E-S, eyes, here got right the eyes. Eyes 不要 color, okay, no need to color eyes. Nose, also no need to color. Okay, nose no need to color nose. Okay, then you go to the ears. Ears, I want you color the big one. Okay, you color the big one. Small one no need to color. Only you color the big one. Okay. Okay, can see this is how teacher color IC. Okay, you color this years, these two. Okay, very good, Xuan Xuan. Okay, Xuan Xuan, you wait first, wait for your friend. Finish color, then only we use the scissor to cut, okay? Wait first, okay? Okay, color nice, color the words, the pictures, you must color nice. Okay, all of you done color or not? Okay, show to teacher first. I want to see your paper. Okay, very good. Okay, now I want all of you take out your scissor. Okay, take out your scissor and you cut all. Okay, shampoo, cut. Okay, shampoo, all you must cut. Okay, you cut, you put at one place first. Okay. Okay, first we cut our class. We use the scissor to cut first. Ask your daddy, mommy to help you to cut. Okay, you must follow the line. You must cut properly. Okay. Okay, you have to cut. You have to cut everything properly, class. So we cut one by one. Okay. Okay, this one is letter P. P for pig. Okay, P for pig. Okay, first we cut this one. Later teacher will tell about what is pig. Pig 是什么? Okay, later teacher will tell you what is pig, what pig eat. Okay, so first we cut this thing first. Okay, we cut out the paper. Okay, the P for letter P. Okay, teacher is still cutting. So all of you cut ready. You show to me first. Okay, Abby. Okay, you should color. You have to cut properly. Ask your daddy, mommy to help you to cut. Okay. Xuan Xuan, are you done? Cut ready? Okay, when you cut, please cut carefully. Okay, teacher cut ready. Teacher is still got this one, so teacher cut all. So we cut together. Okay class, after you cut, your P look like this. Ta-da! This is letter P. Okay, this one is the ears. Okay, teacher already cut the ears. This one is the letter P. This one is the nose. And this one is the tails. And this one is the eyes. Okay, teacher already cut all the part. Eyes, letter P, tail, ears, and nose. Okay, teacher already cut. After you cut, you show to me first, class. Okay, you have to show to teacher first. And please color properly. Teacher will see later how you color. Shen, Abby, can listen or not, teacher? Can your teacher voice? Okay, after you color all the letter P, I want you to take out your glue. Okay, you have glue or not? Okay, please take out your glue, class. Class, can you listen teacher Renu or not? Yes or no, Shen? Can listen? Can, okay. So, I want all of you to take out your glue. Okay, everyone got glue, right? So, take out the glue. Shen, okay, after you put like this, after you put the glue, you have to put the glue like this. After you put this one, we call ears. Okay, the pink ears. So, you put the glue. You put little bit enough. Don't want put too much of glue. Later it will be sticky. So after you put these two, it's look like this. Okay, pig ears. After that, I want you to take out the letter P. Okay, show to me letter P, class. All of you show your letter P. Where is your letter P? Where is your letter P? Okay. This one is your letter P. Okay. Now I want you take the letter P and you put the ears. Okay, you put the ears up like this. Okay, you put the ears up like this. Okay, you can see Abby. Okay, very good. So after that you put like this, you put glue behind. Okay, we put the glue first. Okay, you put the glue over here, then you paste up on the letter P. Okay. Okay, it's first like this. Second also same, you have to put over here. Okay, we put the glue. First we take out this. We put the glue. Okay class, can you see teacher one? This one is the head of the pig. After you put the head, okay, you see you must put two ears, pink color one and white color one together. Okay, so after you paste the ears, I want you to take out the nose. Okay, so where is your nose? This one is your nose for the letter P. Okay, nose. So where you should put the nose? You see this picture first. They ask you to put the nose over here. Okay, to the letter between to the letter P. Okay, so you put glue first, you take out the nose, and this is the nose part. Okay, you take the nose, you put the glue. Okay, after you put the glue, you paste. Okay class, you want to paste, you have to paste like this. Okay, can you see? This is how you paste the nose part. Okay, after you paste the nose part, okay, you cannot put up, you must put a bit down. Okay, you put like this. Okay, after you put the nose part, okay, first we put the ears. After that, second we put the nose part. After we put the nose part, number 3, you take your tails. Okay, show to me where is your tails. This one is the tails. Okay, the pig tails. So you have to do like this. Okay, you do like this. Okay, you make like this shape. Okay, you make like this because this one is the tail. You see how they put for the letter P. Okay, you have to make like a circle. So then it look like this. Can see? Okay, the tails are circle. Okay, you do like a rolling. Okay, 不要 shampoo, little bit enough. Okay, this one we call tail. Tail, 对 ，Abby 这个Abby 对 this one. So after you make like this. Okay, class, you make like this. Enough. After that, can see? Okay, after that, I want you put the glue over here. This one is called the tail. Okay, tail. Okay, the tail is over here. Okay, we put the glue over here. The tail, this over here. You cannot put over here. Wrong, You must put over here. So you put the glue in front, in front. Okay, class, can you see or not, teacher one? Okay, like this. Okay. Okay, the tails put behind, okay? This one is the ears, this one is the nose, this one is the tails. You put the tail part. After you put the tail, which one we not yet put? We put the eyes. Okay, I want you to take out the eyes. Okay, show to me where is your eyes, the big eyes. Eyes. Yoma, eyes. Pick the eyes, Yoma. Eyes. Have Abby got or not, Abby? Okay, so I want you put the eyes, Okay, we put the eyes first. We take the eyes, then we put the glue. Okay, we put the glue. Okay, we put the glue. Okay, we put the glue and we put the eyes. Okay, eyes out. Number one, we put eyes over here, and the second, we put the glue. We put the glue. Then after that, we paste over here. Okay, we paste, Okay, class, can you see teacher one? So the pig look like this. This is we call pig. So we done the ears, eyes, nose and tail. Now you take your black color or black color marker to decorate on the pig. Okay, so you can take black color marker or black color pencil also can. Okay, you want use black color or black color pencil also can. So after that, okay, very good. Xuan. So after that, I want you decorate the eyes. Okay, how to decorate the eyes? You look the picture. Okay, you can look here how they do the P. P for pig. Okay. So we decorate the eyes. Okay, first we decorate on the eye. Okay. Okay, you decorate the eyes like this. Can see? Teacher make one circle for the eyes. Okay, after you make decorate the eyes, put the dot for the nose. Okay, you put the dot like this. Okay, class, can you see? Teacher already put the dot for the nose. Okay. Peak. Okay, after you put the nose, what you should do? You should make a smiling face. You should draw a smiling face, okay, over here, smiling face, okay. So you use your black color pencil or black color marker also can. So teacher use black color marker, so teacher draw the smiling face. 1, 2. Okay, can you see or not how teacher draw? Xuan, Abby, can see or not? Okay, this one is what animal? Pig. Okay, this one is we call pig. Okay, tada. Okay, I want all of you show to me first. We see 1, 2, 3. Okay, we see this one is teacher Renu one. So cute. Okay, I want to see Abby one, Xuan one, pig. You see cute the pig? P for pig. Abby, 这个什么 Abby? Abby. Abby cute 吗？这个 pig cute 吗？ Cute 吗？ Pig, pig, pig. Okay, pig. Who like to see pig? Okay, now teacher want to tell you about the pig. Okay? Okay, all of you listen first. Pig is a very big animal. Okay? Very big one like this. Okay? Pig have pink color and black color. Pig is a animal. Okay? Pig is a animal. Okay, this one we call mammal. We call mammal animal. This one is a big, okay, the body like a round, very round like this, very big one. But the tail, the pig is like this, right? The tail is too small. Okay, the tail is too small. Okay. Then pig has pink color and black color. The tail is small. The pig body is round shape, like a round one, like round shape. Okay, big pig. Okay, so pig is a carnivorous. Okay, this one we call mammal animal. Okay, then the pig nose is very big like this. Like this. The pig nose is like this. Very big one. So the pig nose is very big. Then it's like to play on the sand. Okay, it's the pig like to play on the sand. Okay, it put the body like this. It put the body like this. It's like to play on the sand. It do like this. It do the body like this. So it like to play on the sand. So pig like to eat corns. You know corns or not? Pig like to eat corns. This pig, pig like to eat corns. Then pig like to eat wheat. Pig like to eat soya beans. So soybeans. So this pig is a animal. Pig like to eat corns. So this is about what is pig. Okay, can understand? Understand or not, Abby? Xuan? Can? This one we call pig. Pig is a mammal animal. Okay, you can see the pig in the farmer. Okay, we can see in the farmer. Okay, the pig is pink color. Some the pig is black color. Okay, they like to eat corns. Okay, there is a very big one. They also got baby pig, mommy pig, daddy pig. Okay, so they have a lot of pig. You can see the pig in the farmer. Okay, pig has small tail. Okay, pig has small tail. Pig has big nose. The nose like this. Okay, the pig nose is like this, round. Okay, round shape, circle one. Okay, big one. Then the pig got ears. Okay, got ears. Okay, ears. And some more we have the pig have big nose, round shape. Okay, the body is like this. The body is like this, round shape. Okay, pig got 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Then pig have one small tail. Pig have the ears. So later teacher will share you video about pig. Okay, P for what? P for what? P for what, class? Very good, Abby. P for pig. Very good. Okay, Xuan. P for what, Xuan? P for pig. Pig is a big animal. So pig have pink color. Some is black color. So it's like to eat corns, it's like to eat wheat. Okay, like that. So pig got many shape. Okay, got round shape. Okay, some is big, some is small. Like that, pig. So pig, the nose, the nose is like this. Okay, like this, round one, round shape. So then pig got big eyes. Then pig got the ears. Pig got some more. Pig got the tail. This one is the tail. Tail. So you like pig or not? Who like pig? Who like pig? You like? Abby, you like pig or not, Abby? The pig sound like this. Like that. Okay, the sound. Cow is different sound. Cow is moo moo moo. The pig is the sound is like that. Okay, the pig open the nose. Okay, like that. Okay, like that. Okay, cow is different sound. The pig is different sound. Not same. Cow sound is moo 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 moo. The pig sound is like that. Okay, the pig sound is like that. Okay, different sound. Okay, pig is very big one. Some got big, some got small, big, and big eyes, big nose. Then it like to eat corns. Okay, pig. Okay, pig is what color? Pig is, what color is this? Okay, Abby, this one is what color? Pig? Pink color. Pink color, okay, this one is the pig. So, you must know what is a pig. Okay, this one we call tails, ears, eyes, nose. P for pig. P for pig. Okay, the P sound like that. Okay, the P sound is like that. Okay, P for pig. Okay. So later teacher will share you video about pig. What is pig? Okay, can understand? Can understand or not, class? Can. So today we learn letter P. Okay, very good. All of you did very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. Okay. P for pig. Okay, you still remember or not? What is this? O for what? Very good, Abby. O for octopus. Then you still remember N for what? N for? Yes, N for ninja. Very good. Are you still remember M for what? M for? Moose. M for moose. Okay. Today we learn P. P for pig. Okay, the pig sound is like that. Like that. Okay, the sound. Okay, cow is moo moo moo. Moo moo moo. Moo moo moo. Pig is different. Pig is okay, sound like that. Okay, P for P. Okay, very good. So we done for letter P. Later teacher will share you video about pig. So you can see how many pig you can see. Pig got many types. Some is big, some is small. This one we call mammal. Okay, this one is a mammal animal. Okay. So I can understand. Can understand, class? Okay, now I want all of you, please write your name. Okay, please write your name. You want write in front? Okay, all of you write your name in front. Okay, write your name. Okay, write your name, class. Okay, this one is teacher write my name, so you can write your name. Please write your name. Abby. Abby. Okay, write your name. This one is teacher write my name. Teacher Renu. So you write your name. Abby means write Abby. Xuan Xuan, you write your name. Okay. Okay, after that you all can keep ready. So after you write your name, you all can keep inside your plastic. So today we learn letter P. P for pig. Okay, P for pig. So all of you can keep inside your plastic. So you can put inside your plastic. Okay, your color, your pencil, everything you all can keep first. Okay, so you put like this, you all can keep everything. Okay, now we done. So thank you, class. Thank you, class. Okay, thank you. Bye.